Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to do a little review of ballpark estimates. Remember, when you do a ballpark estimate, it's just to get you close to the answer that you get when you solve the problem. So think back to when we would take a number and see what 10 it was closest to. So I'm going to lay my screen down flat so you can hear me, but you won't see me. And let's do some of these together. Pretend you have your slate and your marker, or just get a piece of paper and a pencil so you can write the number models with me. Here we go. The first one today is 48 plus 46. So to make a ballpark estimate, you're going to think, what's 48 closest to? 50. What's 46 closest to? 50. So your ballpark estimate would be 50 plus 50 equals 100. All right, let's try this one. 13 plus 59. What is 13 closest to? Which 10? I would say 10. What is 59 closest to? 60. So 10 plus 60 is 70. So these are just estimates to get you close to your answer. All right, let's try this one. 76 plus 188. Now when you get into the hundreds, sometimes you can just round to the nearest 10. All right, what is 76 closest to? 80. What is 188 closest to? 190. So if you add 190 and 80 together, you will get 270. All right, let's try this one. 85 plus 165. All right, let's estimate. Remember what we do when we are right smack in the middle of two tens? Most of the time we'll say go on up to the next highest 10. So 85 would be closest to 90. 165 would be closest to 170. So what would 90 plus 170 be? Think about that. $260. All right, let's do the next one. These two are a little bit harder. 183 plus 211. All right, let's estimate. 183 would be closest to 180. 211, you could either say 210 or you could just say 200. So now think, what would you get if you put those together? 390. And our last one, 296 plus 373. I would say 296 is closest to 300. That's easy to add. 373 would be closest to 370. So when you add the two together, you would get 670. So remember, ballpark estimates just help you get close to your answer. Now we're going to move to journal page 240, and you are going to be the teacher. So while you're turning there, get your pencil in hand, and I want you to look at the problem that Jaden made at the top of his page. It says, Jaden makes a ballpark estimate for the problem below. He uses numbers that are close to the numbers in the problem, but easier to use. So he makes his adjustments, and that's what's in the bubble. Now you have to explain Jaden's thinking. How did he do this? What did he think about? So work on that, and then you can check your answers.